Kasi ako naglalaro ng Blast, but tara na maglaro. At isang ano na nga lang ko. Isang level na lang. At makakapunta na tayo sa Magma Village. So, tara na. Tawag ka warrior. 1 minute. Sana matapos natin ito.
Ito, manood ka lang paano
Naglalaro ako. Nag-upload pa ako. Nag-upload. If the world was ending, I would be next to you. If your party was over, just in the earth was true. I wanna hold you. Oh my goodness, 50 seconds, 50 seconds, 50 seconds. Sana matapos natin ito. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the world was over, tatlo lang, ay, apat na lang. Tatlo na lang, 30 seconds na lang. Sana matapos na ito, times 2 XP. Times 2 XP ends. If you were was in 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 30 seconds. Pwede na lang guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, ay di yata abot. Di abot. Ano ba yan? Di abot. Ito sa open the start to buy mo. Wala akong Robux. Kaya nakakabili
ng ayun.
2 times 2 XP.
Ayun.
Pupunta na ako. Si Buda dito. Tara pating natin. Si Buda dito eh. Tara natin. Aha. Yes, Buda. Yan makikita yun. Haha. Hindi ako makikita. Bye-bye. Wow. Thousand W. Ito na. Pumunta na tayo na Magma Village. Yo, let's go. Makakapunta na tayo Magma Village.
Ito, paano ba kasi palagyan ng swimming?
Hindi ko alam. Diba si friend mo, hindi mo naman pala alam. Hindi mo alam ang gagawin nyo. Pupunta na ako sa ibang kayawan. Oh my goodness. 800 meters away. Oh my goodness. Pupunta na tayo sa Magma Village. Let's go.
Tito, nandito na ako sa bahay. Tito, tignan mo to.
Kamusta eh?
Kaya mo yun?
Ang dali. Hindi naman ako naglalaro. Oh! Tapos ganyan. Laman 300 lang.
If you was early, I will be.
Finally! Nandito na tayo sa Magma Village! Sa wakas, nakapunta na ng Magma Village. Stop. 100 meters away na. Tunayan natin. Light. Dude, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nandito na tayo sa Magma Village. Rain, it's okay. In the sky. Maya. It's rain, it's okay. In the sky. Chaco. Let's open your mouth. close your eyes. It's raining at seconds. In the sky.
Oh, wait, let it fly. Just don't get your mouth and your eyes. It's rain that goes slowly.
Hindi, sabi... Parang gusto ko kainin yung magma eh. And close your eyes. Oh, conserve mo yun. It's raining at suckers. Under the sky. Suckers. Night rain. Not bad, man. That's so hard. It's raining in the sky. Suckers. Hindi tayo sasabihin. Just open your mouth. Your eyes. Suckers. Sana. Sana.
Dito to.
So, dito ko na nga lang po tatapusin ang video. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo at nagsaya. Like and subscribe!